Hi. Today I'm going to show you how to change your filter in your floor air conditioner. Floor model air conditioner. Now sometimes they're on the back, sometimes they're on the front, but I think this one's inside here. So I'm gonna just slowly work this edge and then keep pressure out. That way we'll pop this thing out, and then the filter is gonna be on the inside of this, okay? So you just keep working your way around, okay? And then just nice and easy. That way you don't crack anything, okay? There we go. It's starting. There we go. Okay. Now that we have this off, the filter is right in here. Okay? So now, I think you gotta cut this in here. You gotta just take these off, and then we'll glue them back in later. Okay, got that? Now, I think it's in behind the fan. Okay, let's get this fan on. Okay, now the filter is in behind that, okay? Well, I guess it's down further. I think it's down in here. Now, all these pieces, I'm not sure we really need them. So, we're going to go down into the bottom cavity. Okay. Well, I don't think it's under there either. Okay. Now, I noticed that the air comes in through this big hole here. So, it almost seems like maybe it's back here. Okay, there we have it. The filter actually looks fairly clean, so we'll put that back in. Yeah. Glad I could help. Thanks.